ゴミいっぱい。
ゴミいっぱい。
12年前の埃。
あ、本当。アンティーク。
あと川できれいに洗って。
アンティーク。Please wash it. これはいらん。
Shrimp.
He said, "Dojo-san doesn't need one of these because he's not going to catch any fish."
Got to be a fish out here somewhere willing to fight.
I'm having one of those days. Haven't caught one yet. Keep losing my hooks on the bottom. Caught a rock on the. Actually picked a rock up. I thought I had a fish on it. Picked a rock up. We'll borrow some hooks from Dojo-san. We got to start with some friends. So they caught these probably yesterday. So we have some to start with. Put a couple in this box, tow it along behind us, and swap them out as we catch new ones. Water levels in the dams.
40 years ago, they were all about that big. You can catch them all day long. So he's catching Ainu this big in 2001 at the tournament that he went to in Kyushu, and he came in first place all Japan. He took the trophy. See how
that works?
Voila.
Too much.
もう二度と来たくない。鮎釣れないから。
分かった。
They don't have no ayu in Japan. They're all dead. It's Masai Kokoda. We're eating the last ones. Come by, come by, come by.
That's a wrap.